Hey everybody, it's Kevin from KC Photography and Design Studios. Today we're going to try to make a splash and do some water drop photography. Stick around. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. I'm using a white glass container which I will fill with water. You can use anything that you have available from glass to metal. This is what I had on hand. I am using my flash on a stand that will be triggered remotely from my camera. I will also use a clamp-on desk lamp. The purpose of this will be to help in getting focus. I will then switch the lens to manual focus and shut the light off. I am hoping that this will produce sharper images. The idea I came up with for the water drops was to suspend a plastic bag filled with water from the ceiling using a piece of string. I will pierce a hole in it using a pin in order to get consistent size and rate of drops. As you can see, I think this just may work. I've also tried to increase my chances of getting good images by setting my camera to burst mode. What I am hoping this will do is increase the odds of catching a water drop at just the right time. I will also try to use single exposure mode and see if it's possible to guess when the drops will hit. I have also experimented by coloring the water with food coloring that I got at the dollar store. I will mix as well as arbitrarily drip color in the water to create different patterns. Okay, so I have all of my images in Lightroom. As you can see, I took quite a few shots. My hope was that by doing this, it increased the odds of getting some good ones. I think I accomplished this. As I look through the images, I see that a few of them turned out really well. In my opinion, the images where I used the desk lamp to assist with the focus seemed to come out the best. I did find that I had to increase the exposure a little bit, but that's all the editing that I've done so far. I will edit some of the better ones and display them at the end of the video so you can see how they turned out. It was a lot of fun doing this, and I think it may be something that I will try again in the future. Maybe next time I will experiment with a different liquid and experiment with the size and rate of the drops, but for now I think that it was generally successful and definitely something that you should try yourselves. Well, that's all for now. Feel free to leave a comment and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, click subscribe down below in order to see future videos. Always keep learning, and we'll see you again soon.